It's Delicious here again. Thank you so much for stopping by on my channel. If this is your first time seeing this beautiful soul, click on that red button and subscribe. And thank you so much to all my other new subscribers. I love you guys so much. I'm a Nigerian Australian YouTuber who loves creating content about food and lifestyle vlog. On this video, I'll be showing you how to prepare the best perfect Nigerian party jollof rice that would not be soggy. This rice looks yummy and it also tastes really yummy. This is party after party jollof rice. Watch this video to the end so that you would not skip any of the ingredients that I used in preparing this party jollof rice. The first ingredient here would be 1 big red onion. I'm going to add the clean turkey meat into the clean pot. You can use any meat of your choice, chicken, goat meat, but I prefer to use turkey for this party jollof rice. And I will add teaspoon of this thyme. I would also add teaspoon of rosemary, I would add half of the onions that has been diced. I will add the seasoning Knorr cubes, 2 of the Knorr cubes. I will add 1 big tablespoon of cooking salt, just a normal tablespoon. I will add teaspoon of the curry powder. I'll add bay leaves. I always check the amount of the bay leaves that I'm adding so that after cooking I would be able to remove the exact quantity that I put in there. I just added water and I will stir it together. Stir it very well so that the ingredients would combine together with the turkey meat. I'll cover it and let it cook until the meat is done. Here is half of the red onions, green capsicum that I've removed the seeds, 2 big tomatoes that I've removed the seeds and the stalk, and big red capsicum, bell pepper. I've cleaned and removed the seeds also, and that is fresh pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and add all this inside the blender. I would only be using half of that green capsicum because of the quantity of the rice that I'm cooking. I'm adding the tomato, red capsicum with the pepper and the onions, everything inside the blender, and I will add just a little water, enough water to blend it. I'm adding the water. If you can blend it without not adding water, it's also good. You can use your food processor or your blender to do this. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please be cool, click on the red button to subscribe for more interesting content. That is the tomatoes and the capsicums with the onions after blending it. After 20 minutes, let's check on the turkey meat. From the look of it, the turkey looks well done. I'll just stir everything together and remove the turkey from the stalk and set it aside for frying. I would be frying this turkey meat with 1 cup of cooking oil because the turkey contains its own oil. So I'll be frying with less oil. I'll let the oil heat up before adding the turkey in there for frying. I did not add onions into that oil before frying because the turkey meat is already well seasoned. So I'm going to let this turkey fry on each side for like 5 minutes on each side until it gives me that golden brown look. You can go ahead and grill your turkey, or if you don't like frying your meat, you can skip this part. After frying it, I'll remove it and set it aside. You will notice that this oil is already filled with a lot of turkey flavor. Please click on the red button to subscribe to my channel and let me know if you like to fry your turkey or you prefer to grill it. And now I'm going to add this blended ingredient, onions, capsicum and the tomato with pepper inside this hot oil that is already filled with turkey flavor. And I'll go ahead and add half a teaspoon of this cooking nutmeg. I'll add this seasoning powder that is so good. You can go ahead and use any seasoning powder of your choice, Kitchen Glory, Belly and all that. 2 knorr cubes in there. I'll add this teaspoon of seasoning powder. I'll be using this tomato paste. This is 500 grams, so I would only be using like 250 grams of this tomato paste. I'll stir everything together to let it combine very well. It's 500 grams, so I used like half of it. Stir everything to combine it very well. I'll let it steam down until it's almost dry, but I'm going to keep an eye on it until the oil starts separating from the tomato. Now you would notice that the oil is already floating on top of the tomato, which shows that it's already dry. I was stirring it constantly to stop it from burning. Now that the tomato is already well fried and dried, I'm going to strain the stock, the turkey stock, inside these tomatoes. The reason why I'm straining it is because this is a perfect party jollof rice. I don't want all those bits of the onions inside the rice, so that's why I'm straining it. I'm going to stir it and let this boil very well. While this tomato and the stock and all the ingredients is boiling together, I'll go ahead and parboil this rice. This is 4 cups of rice. Parboiling it with hot water. It's always good to parboil with hot or boiling water, which will stop the rice from being soggy or sticky after cooking. I'll let it parboil for 10 minutes, and after 10 good minutes, I'm going to transfer this parboiled rice to the kitchen sink to rinse the starch of it because it contains a lot of starch. Now I'm adding the parboiled cleaned rice inside this pot. I would like to use this opportunity to appreciate each and every one of you that have been supporting me on this particular channel. May God bless you all. So after adding all the rice in there, I will stir it together so that it will combine very well. And this is the perfect time for me to adjust the pepper, the salt, the seasoning cubes and all that. I just tested for salt. Now I'm going to add teaspoon of salt in there to adjust it. And after adding that salt, I would also stir it together. I'm adding a cup of water. This is a perfect party jollof rice, so the water should not be too much. I'll stir it very well. The water should be at the same level or a little bit above the rice. I just tested it and I will cover it and let it cook until this rice is 99% well done. After a few minutes of cooking this party jollof rice on a low heat, the aroma that is coming out of it is something else. I could not wait any longer. Let's check to see if this rice is well done. There is still a little bit of stock in there. So now I'm going to add this diced carrot on top of it because I know that this rice will get done within just maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and I will let this carrot cook. Adding the carrot at the last minute is the good option so you wouldn't overcook the carrot. I'll cover it and let this carrot cook for like 2 minutes, and it's always good to cook the party jollof rice on a low heat. And after a few minutes, we've got the perfect party jollof rice that looks so good and the taste is amazing. I'm stirring it together. The stock in it is 99% dry. It's not burning. The rice did not burn. I had a senior jansulo koeba. This rice is perfectly well done and it's not sticky nor soggy. You can see that by yourself. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please click on that red button to subscribe. If you like what you're seeing on the screen, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share. I'm adding the turkey to complement it. Tell me who is going to resist this non-sticky party jollof rice. Party after party. Like this rice, the taste is amazing. I'm sure you can see how perfect it looks. And I served it with some orange juice and some carrot juice. You guys know I love plating so much. Like I always want to make sure that the food looks good and tastes good. Not just cooking for cooking's sake, but this is a perfect party jollof rice that is made with love. Let me know which drink you would like to enjoy it with. Is it the orange juice or the carrot juice? So guys, feel free to join me at the dining table and don't forget that I'll be pinning the link to my new channel at the comment section. Feel free to subscribe to my new channel. Please show me love by sharing my videos with your family and friends. And thank you so much to everyone that have been supporting me on this particular channel. I can't love you guys less. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate your comment, your like, your effort, your everything. And I love you guys so much. See ya.